Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Hubstaff as an employee. So first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out Hubstaff. And then just click on enter, and you'd be able to see this first website, so just click on it and you'd be directed to this page. So right here, you'd be able to see here the option where you can start your free 14-day trial. Okay, or you can also enter your work email right here. So when you scroll down, you have an overview of this site. Now, before we proceed, we have to click on the pricing at the top and see if what kind of plan that best for our needs. So right here for the plans, we have the first one is the starter. So if you choose this plan, you'd be able to get these features. Okay. The next one is the grow plan. So everything in starter included plus these features right here. Okay. So the next one is the team plan. Okay. So right here, everything in grow plus these features. And for the enterprise, you just have to click on the let's talk option. Okay. So now let's just click on the free 14-day trial. Okay, and then right here, we'd be able to create our account. So we just have to type out her first name, last name, work email, and so forth. So I'm just going to sign in with my account. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to type out right here my work email and my password. After that, just click on logged in, and it'd be directed to your dashboard. Okay, so right here you can tell us your industry to outperform standards. So right here on your dashboard, as you can see at the top, we have these options. Okay, we have to create a project, track time, adjust settings, invite your team, we can view profile, or choose a plan. And then right here we have our widgets. So we have our weekly activity, work this week, spent this week, projects work. Now, if you would like to manage your widget, you just have to click on the manage widgets. And when you click on that specific widget, it would appear right here. So for the members work, so if you would like to enable this widget right here in your dashboard, you just have to click on it. Okay. Now, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here our recent activity. So right here, no activity yet this week. And right here, we have our insights. You'll be able to see here the unusual activity and then the work time classification. So this is just an example data. Right here, you'd be able to see your members info. And then of course, right here, this timer used to track this time. And right here, the this week option as well. So this timer used to track this time. And right here, you can check your timesheets. You can view and edit your timesheets here. And when you edit, that will be subject for approvals. It will be showing up here under the approval. So right here, when you click on the approval option under the view and edit, okay, this one. So enable timesheet approval for any team member, so they'll get alerts to submit timesheets after the pay period ends. So of course, in order to use this feature, we have to upgrade to get started. So right here on the activity section, you can see here the screenshot. So time to time, once you started your time tracking, then this software will start taking screenshots of your computer screen. And also it will record all the apps that you open during your working schedule and also the URL that you visited during the working hour. So you need to be careful, guys, when you are using Hubstaff. Be careful of the apps that you open and the URL, because your employer can also monitor that one, and also you can see the screenshots that been taken off from your computer during your working hour. Next is for the insights. You'll be able to see here the performance, but this one we need to click on add-on in order to access this. So next is the smart notification. So for the smart notification, you can enable this one if there are suspicious high activity, members overworking, members underworking, or members with low activity level. So right here, we also have the projects, the to-dos, the clients, and for the calendars to be able to see the schedules, and then the time of request. Okay, so now let us click on the track time. Okay, so this one right here. Now, in order to use the track time, you have to select a project or create a project. You can also create one if you don't have a project yet. And for the to-do, we can also create a to-do right here and then just click on save. But for now, I'm just going to skip this one. Now, if you're going to use this time right here, you'd be able to see here now the timer, of course. So you just have to click on it in order to save it. Now, for you guys to access this kind of features, you'll then just have to click on this icon right here and then just click on the download option. Okay, you'll then be directed to this download Hubstaff option. So when you scroll down, if you're using desktop, you just have to click on it. And we have for mobile and extensions. So you just have to click on desktop and then just click on download for Windows or iOS. Then after that, you'll be able to see here now your time tracking. Okay, so I'm going to show you on how to use this one. So you just have to click on this play button. Okay, and assuming that we are working now, because the timer has started, so we are going to start working. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard. We're just going to let the time pass by. Now, assuming that we are done working, so just have to click on this stop button. Okay, so this one right here. And then when we go to our activity section, so let's go here. On the timesheets. Okay, and when we scroll down, you'll be able to see here our project or the project that we have worked on. So here we have the activity, the manual, the duration, and the time. So for the duration, this is the duration of how long you have worked on that project. And then of course, you have here the time. Now for the actions, you can edit the time right here. And right here, you can also view and edit your timesheets. Okay, so for example, today, yesterday, last 7 days, last week, or last 2 weeks, and more. Okay, so after that, you just have to simply click on apply. Now, when you click on the the weekly section, so right here at the top, you'll be able to see here these details, of course. Next is the calendar, so the date of this project that you have worked on. Okay, so you'd be able to see that right here. So basically, it provides transparency in work hours and performance, which can help employees to focus on their most productive times and ensure they are recognized for their efforts. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.